So if, like me and many other teachers, you're looking to engage with your students in either distance, blended or remote learning, you may have been considering Google Classroom. What I wanted to do is show you a different approach to getting to grips with this platform, from a little bit different from the traditional. So the first thing you're going to do is type into your browser bar classroom.google.com, and that will bring you to an empty Google Classroom page where you're going to select the plus icon in the top right hand corner, where it gives you the option to create or join a class. And in this instance you are going to join a class. Let me show you that. And it's going to ask you for a class code. The class code that you're going to need is the class code for getting started with Google Classroom, and that code is on the screen for you now. It's WHNXPOT. So again, you're going to hit the plus sign, you're going to click join class, and you're going to enter the code WHNXPOT. And that will bring you to the landing page of the course, which is commonly known as the stream. I'm going to take you across the top of the course now, at the top of the window, where you have the hamburger in the top left hand corner, and that gives you access to all your class courses. The name of the course, Getting Started, which is a good place, a good icon to know, as it brings you back to this page for most of the opportunities. Following along to Stream, where all the news and communication occurs. Classwork, where you'll spend most of your time. People, that's the students and teachers associated with the course. And Marks. Moving across to the right hand side where you have the cog and the waffle, and lastly your account details in the top right hand corner. Just one last thing to show you, in the bottom left hand corner is a question mark which takes you to the help centre, where almost all of your questions will be answered for you should you need to. Let me take you through to classwork. Again, notice in the top left hand corner the hamburger is present, the name of the course. You're now familiar with Stream, Classwork, People, Marks, and the cog again, and the waffle. Also note that I'm showing you the teacher view here, where you've got your topics and the course. Your first item there is to click here and welcome to classwork, where you're given an introduction to the course. Do make sure you click on view material. View material brings forward the resource but also reveals the class comments that go with it. So again, always click on the view material, and to get yourself back to the course you can either use the back arrow, that will take you straight back to classwork, or Getting Started will take you back to the course. So here's the course, and there are activities to do before you get started. So I hope you find that useful, and I hope you enjoy the course.